Okay, so despite the fact that I went totally ham at the last show and bought just a crazy amount of gemstones already, I came home and realized that there was a package for me from my gemstone cabochon wholesaler in India that I purchased from, and it took so long to ship that I don't even remember what exactly I ordered, which is often the case. Oh, look, a little rutilated quartz just flew at me. So we know that at the very least I ordered that. So I just thought I would do a quick little opening video and see what on earth we even have in here. I didn't realize that I was going to have such great buying opportunities at the Hickory Show in North Carolina. And I got some great things there to be working with, which is fantastic because I've had so many back-to-back shows that I am frankly almost out of inventory. It's a wonderful problem to have. I've been a busy little bee selling, and now I need to make more things. So let's see what we have here. Oh yeah. Smells factory fresh. All right. Ooh. Natural gemstones. All right. Oh yeah. So this is cool. Super cool. I've been doing a lot of stuff with these really beautiful carved cabochons. So I got some of these incredible spectrolite, which is a type of phenomenal feldspar related to moonstone. And they're all hand carved, really super cool stones here. And I got a lot of those different shapes. They're all carved. That one's still all in its greasy little bag. That's not going to do it all. But yeah, so there's a bunch of these with traditional sort of like Mughal style carvings. And it's just a beautiful stone with a really strong flash, colorful flash. So I got a bunch of those. Another one that I got more of, because I've been making things out of them and doing quite well with it, are these little carved amethysts. You might remember these from my last unboxing video. The last round I got were deeper purple. These ones are more of like a lavender color, which is fun. And gosh, there's a lot of these. So, boop, boop, boop. Oh, and then I got a billion of these teeny tiny little rutilated quartz. Rutilated quartz is a clear quartz that has titanium crystals in it that looks like a fine hair. That is not super in focus, but rutilated quartz. So a type of included quartz. Wow, these are smaller than I thought they were going to be. That's one of the tricky things about buying things that you've never seen in person is sometimes the millimeter size doesn't really compute to me in my mind. Oh, these are beautiful. These are matched pairs of rose cut sapphire in like a deep blue gray color. I got 1, 2, 3, 4 pairs of these. Really pretty. You'll also probably recognize these from previous unboxing videos. I've always really enjoyed working with them, and typically if it ain't broke, don't fix it. If I'm finding success with a particular gemstone, I will frequently use it again. These are very pretty too. So this is a number of also colored sapphires, what we call fancy sapphires. More matched pairs that are rose cut. Rose cut means it's flat on the back and faceted on the front. These are sort of a brownish red color. We got some little purple sapphire, little yellow sapphire, rose cut yellow sapphire. So since these are pairs, I'll probably end up making earrings out of them, as I often do. Oh, these guys, I remember these. So I've actually been coveting after this set for a while. And fortunately they were still available, so I went back and got them. This is like a bi-colored chrysoprase. Chrysoprase is a natural green cryptocrystalline quartz, aka chalcedony. It comes from Australia, and I use it all the time. I'm obsessed with it. And here's another smaller pair. It's like a very vivid, translucent green. What else do we have? Oh, I'm out of moonstones. I make very popular moonstone and sterling silver rings that I needed some more moonstone for. So I got a whole bag of moonstones, which are, again, a feldspar like the spectralite. They're all related. Yeah, that's it for this haul. And then some of the things I got at the show really quickly. These are a beautiful rare amber from Sumatra. And I have a bunch of these big, large pieces, which are so cool. Then these gorgeous, gorgeous match pairs of banded carnelian that I just love. I really enjoy when there's a mirrored pattern on a matched pair where you can really see the striations go from one side to the other. This similarly are matched pairs of what we call bumblebee jasper, which is a vivid natural yellow, black, and gray stone. That again will be lots of fun to work with. And this is charoite, which is a purple, natural purple chatoyant gemstone from Russia. What else do we have in here? Lots of fire agate. Always can never have too much fire agate. Other things I got at the show that are quite rare and unusual. Pink cobalto calcite druzy with little malachite swirls on it, so that's fun. This is a really rare and unusual stone that I might just hoard for a while. I don't think I will be able to part with these. This is a beautiful Peruvian blue gem silica. So this is the gemmy jelly version of chrysocolla, which is more of an opaque version. This is just when it's a very highly silicated variety. I bought some more natural tanzanite crystal rough, watermelon tourmaline slices for my watermelon tourmaline rings, all kinds of agates. These are topaz crystals, Imperial Topaz crystals, yellow apatite crystals, aquamarine crystals. Can't have too much aquamarine. Lodolite quartz, tumbled natural nephrite jade from Siberia, some assorted agates and jaspers. This is a beautiful little amethyst druzy cabochon that has some very, very nice sparkly yumminess to it. And then this is a really rare and unusual stone from Utah called wavelite. That is like an orbicular, really interesting chatoyant orbicular green gemstone that's like the state gemstone of Utah. And it has these really unusual kind of like fibrous circles. I'm trying to think of non-science words to describe what wavelite looks like. It's really just cool and weird looking and also out of focus. That's really not doing it, is it? Well, maybe you'll get the idea. So lots and lots of new stuff for me to be playing with. I'm so excited. I really am incredibly pumped. And since my inventory is so low, I will be doing lots of metal smithing and fabrication and also beadwork. I may have picked up one or two gemstone beads while I was at the show. Aquamarine, peach moonstone, chrysoprase, some jaspers, rose quartz, all kinds of things. So I will be adding all of these supplies into my stash and making lots of wonderful things. And some pieces I'll just be peeling out and selling as supplies. So I hope you enjoyed this little tour of some of my new and exciting purchases. Maybe I will do another video like this with my mineral specimen purchases, which I also made at the last show, which are mind-blowing and amazing. Love the raw crystals. So anyway, thanks for watching. Have a great day.